Okay guys, let's fix the Microsoft account issue. So first you need to download Xbox app in the Microsoft Store. Once you download that one, go to search bar, type Xbox like this. Then after tap on application. So then after you have to try to log in the Xbox app using your Microsoft account. Once you done that, you can close that one and again go to search bar, type Xbox and try to relaunch it again. If it is not working, you have to first close the Minecraft launcher. Then after go to start menu, go to setting option. If you can't find setting here, just search for it in here. Go to setting. In the left side menu, go to apps option. Tap on apps and features. Okay, in the app list, you have to find Minecraft launcher. Tap on three dots in the right side menu. Tap on advanced options. Scroll down and come to the repair section. Just tap on repair first. If it is not working, then after tap on reset option. So it will be reset all the cache file and other things related with Minecraft. So then after try to relaunch again. So if it is not working, you have to go to this path. First you need to go to C drive, users, your username that is related with your computer, app data, local, packages, Microsoft Xbox identity provider, this code, and AC token broker. Once you are there, you have to delete all the files in that folder. Then after restart your Minecraft and try to sign in again. This will remove the cache files related with that. And if it is not working, go to search bar again, search for run. Tap on the run application. In here you need to type ws reset.exe like this. Not exe, ws reset only. Tap on OK. So it will reset the Microsoft Store and it will automatically sign in again. After sign in, try to launch the Minecraft again. Again you need to go to search and type run like this. Tap on run application. In here you need to type services.msc and hit enter. Okay, first you need to find Microsoft account sign in assistant. You can see it is right here. Double tap on it. Make sure it is set as automatically startup type, which currently it is manual. Tap on automatic, tap on apply and tap on OK. Next you need to find Xbox Live Auth Manager. Scroll down. Here it is. Double tap on it. Set the type as automatic, tap on apply, tap on OK. Again find Xbox Live Game Save, double tap on it, set the manual into automatic, tap on apply, tap on OK. Now Xbox Live Networking Services, double tap on it, go to manual to automatic, tap on apply, OK. Finally Gaming Services, go to up. Okay, here it is, double tap on it. It is set as automatically currently. Close this one, go to